Hello everyone. In this video I'll be discussing logic gates. The term logic is applied to digital circuits used to implement logic functions. Several kinds of digital logic circuits are the basic elements that form the building blocks for such complex digital system as the computer. And if you consider the symbol of any logic gate, the lines connected to each symbols are the inputs are and outputs. The inputs are on the left of each symbol and the output is on the right side. A circuit that performs a specific logic operation is called a logic gate. And there are different types of logic gates. So now we'll discuss one by one. First one, inverter. The inverter performs the operation called inversion, or we can say the complementation. So the NOT operation changes one logic level to the opposite logic level. That is, when the input is low, the output is high. When the input is high, the output is low. In other way, in terms of bits, we can say it changes a logic 1 to logic 0 and logic 0 to logic 1. And this is the truth table of an inverter. You can see here, if the input is 0, output 1. If the input is 1, output 0. And this is the logic expression. You can see here x equal to a bar. So here actually you use the tick. So for the complement, either you can write bar or you can write tick. In some textbook you can find this tick for the complement operation. So this is the logical symbol of an inverter. So inverter has only one input and one output. So if the input is A, then the output is A bar. And these are the simulation results of an inverter. You can see here the red color indicates logic high. So when the input is 0, the output becomes high, and when the input is high, the output becomes low or 0. So next, AND gate. An AND gate can have two or more inputs and performs what is known as multiplication or logical AND operation. The output of AND gate is high when all the inputs are high, otherwise the output is always low. That means if any one input is 0, the output is always 0. So operation of an AND gate, you can see here, AND gate produces a high output only when all the inputs are high. When any one of the input is low, the output is always low. So that one you can see it in the truth table here. So here I consider the inputs A and B and output X. So here A is 0, B is 0, hence output X is 0. A is 0, B is 1, 0 into 1, 0. Next A is 1, B 0, 1 into 0, output 0. A1, B1, 1 into 1, output is 1. You can see here in all these three combinations, the output is always 0, because if any one input is 0, the output is always 0, and when all the inputs are high, then output is high. So this is the logical symbol of AND gate. Here you can say A and B are the inputs and X is the output. And these are the simulation results of AND gate. So here red color indicates the logic high signal or logic 1. So when both the inputs are 0 0, output is 0. So here first input is 1, second input is 0, output is 0. And here first input is 0, second input is high, output is 0. So here both the inputs are 1, the output is 1. And this is the logical expression. Its logical expression is x equal to a dot b. Here x is output, a and b are the input. And as I told, the AND gate can have two or more than two inputs. So here you can see the three input AND gate. So input A, B, C and the output X. So the output expression is X equal to A, B, C. So next, OR gate. OR gate can have two or more inputs and performs what is known as logical addition. The output of OR gate is low when all the inputs are low. Otherwise, output is high. So here you can see the logical symbol of OR gate, and OR gate produces a high on the output when any one of the input is high. The output is low when all the inputs are low. So here consider the truth table. A and B are the inputs, X is the output. So A0, B0, so 0 plus 0, output is 0. A0, B1, 0 plus 1, 1. A1, B0, 1 plus 0, 1. A1, B1, 1 plus 1, 1. So this is the truth table of OR gate. So these are the simulation results. So already you know that if any one input is high, the output is always high. You can see in these three. If all the inputs are 0, output is 0. And this is the logical expression x equal to a plus b. Here x is the output, a and b are the inputs. And this is the three input OR gate. A, B, C are the inputs. The output expression x equal to a plus b plus c. So next, NAND gate. The NAND gate is the one of the popular logic element because it can be used as a universal gate. That is, NAND gate can be used in combination to perform the AND, OR and inverter operations. Here the universal means by using the NAND gate we can construct the all other gates. So NAND gate is constructed by attaching NOT gate at the output of AND gate. That means here NAND is complement of the AND gate. NAND gate has two or more input and only one output. And the output of NAND gate is low when all the inputs are high. Otherwise, output is high. This is exactly complement to the AND gate or opposite to the AND gate. So here you can see in the truth table, A and B are the inputs, X is the output. So here A is 0, B is 0. So 0 and 0, 0. Take the complement of that. So complement of 0 is 1. 0 into 1, 0. Take the complement of 0, it is 1. A1, B0, 1 into 0, 0. Take the complement of that, 1. And A1, B1, 1 into 1, 1. Take the complement, so it is 0. So if you consider the AND gate truth table, you can see here. So here first three combinations input, the output is 0. And when both the inputs are high, the output is high. But in the NAND gate it is opposite to that, you can see here. So when both the inputs are high, the output is 0, otherwise the output is 1. And this is the symbol of NAND gate. You can see here it's similar to the AND gate, but at the output end we can see the bubble here. And this is the simulation results. So when both the inputs are high, then the output is 0, otherwise the output is high. The logical expression. So already I told that AND is complement of the AND gate. So we know the AND gate expression, that is x equal to AB. So the NAND expression is x equal to AB whole bar. So that one you can see here. So x is the output, A and B are the input, AB bar. So here tick, AB tick is nothing but it's a AB bar. And this is the truth table. As I told, uh, 0 into 0, take the complement. So 0 into 0 is 0. So if you take the complement of that, you get 1. So next, NOR gate. NOR gate, like the NAND gate, NOR gate is also useful logical element because it can also be used as a universal gate. So that means by using the NOR gate, we can construct all other gates. NOR gate is the combination of NOT gate at the output of OR gate. And NOR gate has 2 or more input and only 1 output. So it's a complement of the OR gate. Output of NOR gate is high when all the inputs are low, otherwise the output is low. So here you can see this is the symbol of NOR gate. It's similar to the OR gate, but output side have to put the bubble. So consider this table. So here A0, B0, so 0 plus 0, 0, take the complement of that, so it becomes 1. Next 0 plus 1, 1, 1's complement is 0. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 complement is 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 1 complement is 0. So it is opposite to OR gate. And these are the simulation results. When all the inputs are high, the output is 0. And here you can see, yeah, if here both the inputs are 0, output is high. In other 3 cases, if any one input is high, the output is always 0. So the expression for NOR gate is, it is complement of the OR gate. So the OR gate expression is x equal to a plus b. So NOR expression is x equal to a plus b whole bar. Next, exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate has a graphical symbol similar to that of the OR gate, except for the additional curved line on the input side. And if both the inputs are low or both are high, then it produces the output low or 0. Otherwise, it produces the high output. Let's see the symbol and truth table. So this is the logical symbol of exclusive OR gate. It is similar to the OR gate, but at the input side there is a curved line. You can see here. And it produces the logic 0 output when both the inputs are same. You can see here A and B are the inputs, here X is the output. So for 0 0 the output is 0, for 1 1 also the output is 0. That means when all the inputs are same, either it is 0 or 1, we will get the output always 0. And A is 0, B is 1, output is 1, because here the inputs are different. And A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. So its logical expression is A B bar plus A bar B, because if you consider the output, for 0 0 anyhow output is 0, but for 0 1 output is 1. So how do you represent the 0? So here A is 0, right? So that's what we're writing the A bar here, and B is 1, so A bar B. And for A1 B0 the output is 1, so A is 1, write down A here, and B is 0, so hence writing B bar here. So A B bar plus A bar B is the logical expression. And in shortcut we'll use this symbol to write the exclusive OR expression. So this indicates exclusive OR. So X equal to A exclusive OR B. Next, exclusive NOR gate. The exclusive NOR gate is the complement of the exclusive OR gate, as indicated by small circle on the output side of the graphical symbol. If both inputs are low or both are high, then it produces the output high or 1. Otherwise, it produces the low output. So this exclusive NOR gate it's a complement of exclusive OR gate. You can see here the symbol is similar to the exclusive OR gate, but here at the output side you have to use the bubble. So this is the logical symbol of exclusive NOR gate. And this is the truth table. So when the inputs are same, it produces the output high. When there are different inputs, it produces output 0. You can see here when A and B both are 0 0, output is 1. And when A and B are both are 1 1, the output is 1. So here for different inputs, if A is 0, B is 1, output is 0. And A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. Hence the logical expression is AB plus A bar B bar, because here first combination A is 0, B is 0, output is 1. So that's what they are writing, A bar dot B bar. And here A is 1, B is 1, output is 1. So they are writing AB. Hence the expression is AB plus A bar B bar. And in short, we'll write this symbol to represent the exclusive NOR operation. So inside the circle, just put a point. So X equal to A exclusive OR B. So this is the exclusive OR operation symbol. So this is about the logic gates.